We were just talking about the temperatures rather mild today. Nice and sunny outside.
It's warm here. It's in the mid-50s in Price and Moab.
Wow.
The northerly winds scoured away all of the cold air and the inversion, and we ended up with a very nice day. Okay, this morning, a little thin layer of haze, but notice how clear the skies are. And the folks were out enjoying this weather, walking the dogs in the parks. This is, I believe it's about 17th East and 8600 South in Salt Lake City, Sandy, and the east side of Geese. We're enjoying the snow on the ground and a little bit of food that the folks were providing. 43 degrees right now in Salt Lake City, that mild day that Richard is talking about. 40 in Vernal. Here's that warm 50 in Price. But you know what happens is the northerly winds downslope into Castle Country, and that warms things up. Now, there's one thing that is showing up right now. That's that 38 in Cedar City. We had a total of about 2 to 3 inches of snow last night, and so the snow is melting away and it's keeping the temperature a little bit cooler in Cedar City. Up to 9 inches of snow fell in the southwest mountains around Midway Valley, 6 inches of snow at Bryan Head. The folks there pretty happy about the fact that they had some new snow for the skiers. Some showers and thunderstorms over southeastern Arizona, parts of New Mexico, and some high clouds here in Montana. Now, Great Falls is 44 as the Chinook winds are blowing. Often you can tell that there are Chinook winds when you see these high clouds moving along the ridgeline, and today the winds are gusty. And that's a weak weather front that'll bring some high clouds across northern Utah during the day on Tuesday, and just enough cool air, hopefully, to keep the inversions from strengthening substantially this week, because we have a big ridge of high pressure over the western United States. And that big ridge is going to continue to bring us the high pressure, and that means the inversions strengthen. And so for the next several days, any pollution that is produced by automobiles and industry in those urban areas along the Wasatch Front, the haze will be increasing once again, not only on Monday, but on Tuesday as well. And again, here's that weak weather front that could drag by a little bit of cool air, say, Tuesday into Wednesday, and that will keep things from getting really out of hand. Unfortunately, with a lot of high pressure this week, it does mean we are going to have haze and smog once again. 14 overnight in Vernal, 38 for the high. There's that mild weather. Green River, 52 for your high temperature. Moab once again around 50. 53 in Hanksville, but the nighttime lows in the upper teens and low 20s. It'll be 33 in St. George. You had those northerly winds blowing in the canyons last night and early today. Those winds will be gone. With a little snow still on the ground, Cedar City, the nighttime low 16, the afternoon high 46. St. George waffling in the upper 50s to near 60. And then we get a big drop in temperature. And yes, folks, we have a storm. And the new computer charts indicate that this storm over the weekend is going to bring some changes. In the meantime, an ice day on Monday, a little haze in the valley, still a green air quality. That's good air quality, but the haze builds up. Tuesday and Wednesday with temperatures in the low 40s with nighttime lows in the low 20s. Smog back here on Thursday and Friday. It will warm up a little bit. Then Saturday, a front moves in. Now, that 46 will be in the morning. Chance for a little snow in the afternoon Saturday, and it does look like some snow on Sunday. And for a couple of days, the computer charts have indicated this could be a very cold storm system.
Saw a little snowflake there.
A little snow, good for the skiers. If you're traveling, plan on that.
Okay. Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome.
I can only imagine some